47. The Truth. Our Lord declares in John 14:6 that He is the truth about all things because He is the source of all life. The medieval thinking Gratian gave us one of the greatest commentaries on that statement. Quote, "The Lord said, I am the truth, not I am custom or constitution." End quote. In other words, we can't define ourselves or the church by what we think, nor what the church is in our time, but only by Jesus Christ. We begin with Him, not with ourselves. One of the great fallacies of reform movements is to try to recall the church to what it was when we were young or a century ago. This means defining the church by history, not by God and His Word. Very often, the root of our present problem is in the yesterdays we idealize. Because things may have been better 50 years ago does not necessarily mean that they were right. A friend who 3 years ago was a picture of health and strength was carrying a hidden cancer at that time. John tells us that, quote, "Grace and truth came by Jesus Christ." John 1:17. The world outside of Christ was and is a world of hatred and lies. Into this evil realm came our Lord with grace and as the truth to make all things new. To make custom, tradition, nationalism, race, or anything else the truth, however good some of these things sometimes may be, is to falsify reality and to replace truth with something else. Gratian was right, quote, "The Lord said, I am the truth, not I am custom or constitution." End quote. What is He to you?